This is Johnny, my neighbor, plowing my driveway for me.
She's trying her best not to leave me standing here. Got the blue. She's trying her best not to leave me standing here. She wants to drive to California, live in Jay Leno's garage. Through the road to Memphis, didn't need no GPS. Through the road to Memphis.
That's a Chevy Lumina that the song Lumina Blues was written about. She's not used to snow.
A radio that would sing all night long. Love the Mississippi blues stations. Made us feel right at home. Love the Mississippi blues.
Well, a little unusual East Texas weather.
Made us feel.
We've had snow all morning. As you can see in the first part of the video, what we're seeing now is my driveway. We're going to take it out to the road. Completely snowed in again. My neighbor Johnny plowed the driveway, as I showed you in the early part of the video, just 2 days ago. Yesterday it didn't snow. There's the Chevy Lumina. We'll go back to the birds.
Got the Lumina blue. Old motor just don't want to run no more. Got the Lumina blue.
Few vehicles going on the front of the road on the street, but not many. Till I get this driveway cleared, I'm just basically snowed in.
I'd bring her back to grade 1.
Johnny did come back and plow the driveway again so that we could get out. Appreciate it, Johnny.
Can't tell the whole story. If I did, I'd just break down and cry.
We're actually filming from Redwater, Texas.
If I did, I'd just break down.
A little warmer this morning. I think it's about 19.
I feel so good. Got the Lumina blue. Don't know how much longer I'm gonna feel.
Well, that's the Saturday thoughts for this Saturday. Glad this snowstorm in Texas is over.
Got the Lumina blue. She's trying her best not to leave me standing here.
Threw out some bird seed for birds. See how this camera does on close-up. If I can hold it steady enough.
You can really see the snow coming down.